In today's video, I will walk you through how to use screen tone pressure in Krita. To use screen tone pressure, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the brush presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type screen tone pressure. Once the screen tone pressure brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger tone area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed tone effects. The screen tone pressure brush in Krita is useful for adding screen tones, shading effects, and pressure-based dot patterns to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating manga-style illustrations, shadows, gradients, and detailed tone textures. Use stronger brush pressure to create denser tone effects, and use lighter pressure for softer and lighter tone details. After selecting the screen tone pressure brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying tone effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use screen tone pressure in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.